5 minutes of listening. Coming now.
Hi, Jane. How do you do?
Oh, wow, you just changed the sofa. I remember it was gray last time. Yes, my mom just bought it for me. It's smaller a little bit, but it matches the color of the house.
I bought some apples and flowers, Jane.
Drop them in the kitchen.
Where? I dropped them next to the refrigerator. Is that okay?
Yes, anywhere you want. Come here, Alex. Look what Jane has here.
Cream tart?
Yes, I made it this morning. Try it.
Wow, perfect.
I asked Hazel to come with us, but she said she has a stomachache.
Did Hazel talk to you?
Nah, I don't know. That's weird. She always asks you when she doesn't feel good.
Hey, do you guys want to hang out this weekend?
Great idea. Where should we go? It shouldn't be far because I need to come back to work on Monday morning.
Everybody also needs to work, Jane. No worries at all.
Do you want to go to the beach? Beach?
Seriously?
Sure, we just need to take a taxi there, then chill. I just miss the smell of the beach. Do you think that it's possible?
Maybe.
Then we can bring some food, fruits, and beer, like going to a picnic on the beach.
The weather is quite suitable to have a trip to the beach.
Who will take responsibility to prepare food?
Normally it's Hazel.
I haven't told her about this weekend yet, but I'm sure she will join. She loves the beach more than anyone else. But
What's up, Jane?
I don't want to join Hazel. What?
Jane, what happened to the two of you?
Nothing.
Come on, Hazel and you always go together. What's the matter with you?
I just don't want to see her again. What? She broke our promise, but she didn't recognize her mistake.
Can you tell us more details? We didn't get your point clearly.
2 weeks ago. Should I buy popcorns at the moment? Where's Hazel? The movie's starting in 15 minutes.
Do you want to check in now?
Nah, thank you. I am waiting for my friend. Why doesn't she pick up the phone? Did something happen to her? Hello, Hazel. Where are you now? What happened to you? Do you know I called you many times? Hi, Jane. What's going on? My phone is in silent mode. I'm in a bar. My company has a party tonight. Do you think you forgot something? Forgot? No, Jane, come on. What happened? You should tell me directly. We're supposed to go to the cinema today. You forgot we bought tickets 1 week ago, huh? Oh my, I forgot. But why didn't you remind me? If you told me, I would let you know I'm busy today. This is the annual party of my company. I cannot be absent. Okay, so this is my fault that I didn't remind you? You don't get my point. I mean, you should remind me. I'm so busy in recent days, you know. So I'm a redundant person? Come on. Jane, listen. I didn't say that. Never. But you should remind me or at least send me a message. I just came here, then I can't leave. It's also too far, but I get your point. I think I wasted your time. You should enjoy yourself with your colleague. Jane, it's not a big problem. Next time. Never. Then I hung up my phone. I haven't talked with her since that day.
Oh, come on. You guys are so childish.
Alex, you also think it's my fault?
Not at all, but you should calm down to solve with each other.
I can't agree more with Alex. I know, but the movie was starting and I was still standing alone. She didn't even apologize to me. It's not my fault, is it? I don't want to talk about it anymore. Do you want to have some fruits? I'll bring you guys some apples. Alex, do you want to have some thoughts with me?
I think yes, Lily. I have never thought they will fight each other.
So do I. We should give them a chance to talk with each other. Everything will be solved.
Do you mean this weekend? But Jane is a hard ass.
We should talk with Hazel first. I think when we come to her house this evening. Jane is coming. Don't let her know. Jane, we've decided to go to the beach this weekend. Alex will prepare food. Really, Alex? You're a star. Beers? I'll bring them.
Okay, deal.
We'll meet at the bus station at 8, okay? Why don't we drive there? It's not far. I have a driving license. I'll drive.
Weekend. Please repeat after me. Weekend. Weekend. The part of the week when many people do not have to work, usually Saturday and Sunday.
I haven't told her about this weekend yet, but I'm sure she will join.
Promise. Please repeat after me. Promise. Promise. A statement that you will definitely do something or that something will definitely happen.
She broke our promise, but she didn't recognize her mistake.
Party. Please repeat after me. Party. Party. A social event where people talk, eat, drink, and enjoy themselves.
Hi, Jane. What's going on? My phone is in silent mode. I'm in a bar. My company has a party tonight.
Apologize. Please repeat after me. Apologize. Apologize. To say that you are sorry for something that you have done.
She didn't even apologize to me. It's not my fault, is it?
Hang out. Please repeat after me. Hang out. Hang out. To spend time with someone in a relaxed way.
Hey, do you guys want to hang out this weekend?
Cinema. Please repeat after me. Cinema. Cinema. A theater where movies are shown for public entertainment.
We're supposed to go to the cinema today. You forgot we bought tickets 1 week ago, huh?
7 minutes of speaking.
Get in, Jane.
Don't forget beers. Never. Here.
Perfect.
Oh, it's not the way to Highway 1. Hazel will join us.
Yes, we're driving to pick her up.
Hey, what's wrong with the two of you? It's not fun. I told you. Don't be stubborn like this. You should talk with Hazel to handle your problem.
Hazel also has something to talk about with you.
I don't care. I never make up with her.
Park there. Hazel's coming. She just messaged me.
Get off, Jane.
Come on, Jane.
Hi. Do you guys want to talk privately?
Lily and I will wait in the car. You guys have 10 minutes.
Okay, hi, Jane. About that day.
Okay, what do you want? I have nothing to talk about with you.
It's my fault, 'cause I forgot.
Okay?
I didn't try blaming you. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I didn't know you were waiting at the cinema. I thought you were still waiting at home.
Don't tell me like that.
I'm trying to explain to you.
Okay, as you want.
It's my fault, but you were getting mad. So it hurt me so bad. I couldn't calm down as well. So sorry. We have been together for 5 years. You know me, don't you? So you also know that I don't like being stood up. Yes, sorry. All is my bad. But don't shout at my face like that anymore. I don't want to lose you.
Okay, did you bring anything for us?
Sure, I prepared food as usual.
Oh, Alex told me he would do that.
Alex can cook?
I'll never trust him again.
So, be friends again?
Okay, I forgive you this time.
Let's go, we'll be late.
Three minutes of reviewing. Question 1. Where are Alex, Lily, and Jane going? A. To the cinema. B. To Highway 1. C. To pick up Hazel. The correct answer is C. Question 2. What does Jane bring with her? A. Food. B. Beers. C. Snacks. The correct answer is B. Question 3. How long have Jane and Hazel been friends? A. 5 years. B. 4 years. C. 3 years. The correct answer is A. Question 4. Who usually prepares food for the group? A. Alex. B. Lily. C. Hazel. The correct answer is C. Question 5. What did Hazel forget that made Jane angry? A. To bring food. B. Their movie plans. C. To call Jane. The correct answer is B. Question 6. Who is driving the car? A. Alec. B. Jane. C. Lily. The correct answer is A.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.